That's the hawk. Crow. Crows. Hey, brother. They try and bring the kids out here and record me. And God's just warning me. Careful. That's why they're sending all the birds and crows here. It's the Obama. They send the people, majority, the immigration. You know what I mean? They use like Mexican, the Indians, they use everybody, the Vietnamese. They're using people all over, trying to like bring the kids out here and record me while I'm just doing my own thing, trying to entrap me. They're selling guns, right? The Obama administration is selling guns to the cartel in trade of methamphetamine, all right? That's what they're doing. Now they're pissed off because I know. So they try to get me and shit. So I'm gonna let you guys know. That's what's going on. That's what Obama's doing. And the Jehovah Witnesses, they're selling opium. That's right, they're selling opium. Look.